In this video, I'll show you how to open the default web browser using the terminal on Ubuntu. This is useful when you're working in a terminal and want to quickly launch a website without opening the browser manually. First, make sure you're on your Ubuntu system and the terminal is open. Now, type this command: xdg-open https://example.com. Replace https://example.com with the link you want to open. For example, if you want to open Google, you would type xdg-open https://www.google.com, then press enter. Your default web browser will launch and open the link. The xdg-open command is a standard tool in Ubuntu. It tells the system to open a file or URL with the default application. In this case, it opens the link using your default web browser. If you get an error saying that xdg-open is not found, you can install it with this command: sudo apt update and sudo apt install xdg-utils, press enter, and wait for the installation to finish. After that, try the xdg-open command again. This method works for most desktop environments like GNOME, KDE, and XFCE. You can also use this command in scripts when you want to open a website automatically. That's how you open a web browser from the terminal in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.